Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to play SoundCloud song on Instagram stories. So first of all, you have to go to your Play Store and download the SoundCloud app. So I will already downloaded SoundCloud app. So I will open it to play the sound. So I will go back home and find SoundCloud app and open it. So I will randomly choose of your favorite. So go to three dots and there is the option of stories, share of stories. So I will click to share of stories of Instagram. So you see the SoundCloud song on automatically get to stories. So I will share it and again done, and it will be posted on my Instagram story. So you have to see. So there is song is posted on my story from SoundCloud, so you can see it. So this is how to post SoundCloud on Instagram stories. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.